During the 6th century BC, in the rich and reflective civilization flourishing in what is today northeast India and Nepal, a child was born to the high caste family of Gautam. He was later known by various names, including Siddhartha, means the one who has reached the goal, Shakyamuni means sage of the Shakyas, or simply Buddha, the enlightened. His childhood was idyllic, and at the age of 16, he took a wife who bore him a son. As a youth, he was completely sheltered from the sorrows of the flesh through the offices of his father, who commanded the servants never to let him leave the palace compound. Yet finally, the legends relate he managed to escape this benign prison long enough to encounter old age, sickness, and death. Understandably distressed, he began pondering the questions of human mortality and suffering, a search which led him to a holy man whose devoutness seemed to hold the answers. True to his convictions, he renounced wealth, family, and position and embarked upon the life of an ascetic, a spiritual novice. At the age of 29, he traveled for the next 6 years from sage to sage, searching for the teachings that might release him from the prison of flesh. Finally, with disciples of his own, he left all his teachers and devoted himself to meditation for another 6 years, at the end of which he was close to death from fasting and privation. But he was no nearer his goal, and abandoning the practices of traditional religion, he set out to beg for rice. Although his disciples immediately deserted him as unworthy to be a teacher, he was undeterred and enjoyed his first full meal since leaving his father's palace. He then had a deep sleep and learned in a dream that realization would soon be his. He proceeded to a wood and began his final meditation under the now legendary Bodhi tree, where he at last found enlightenment. Gautam had become the Buddha.